We've all once dreamed about becoming a professional YouTuber. I mean, making massive amounts of money by just posting videos to the internet. Sounds really great. But what's even greater? Making massive amounts of money without even having to record the videos. And exactly this is possible for any one of you. Before we get into that, welcome back to your online money traffic. In today's video, we'll discuss how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Watch till the end and put on your notifications. I understand your question. Is it possible to make money on YouTube without making videos? Without a doubt, yes. If you've been thinking about it, this video will walk you through the process step by step. YouTube is one of the sites that creates new billionaires every day. You have the possibility to earn money when people watch the videos you upload to our site. As a result, people are making a good life from it. But did you know that you don't have to make your own videos to get money on YouTube? Did you realize that? That's right. You read that accurately. While using other people's original work for personal profit is forbidden due to copyright restrictions, there is a legal way to do so through the Creative Commons licensing scheme. The key to success: Creative Commons. YouTube allows original video owners to permit the YouTube community to use their videos without suffering copyright infringement charges. Original video owners can label their recordings with a Creative Commons license, CC BY, which allows other users to legally duplicate their movies under specific conditions, albeit with adjustments. This implies you may build a YouTube channel without ever uploading any original videos and yet earn money from it. We've provided a step-by-step guide to the exact legal steps you need to follow in order to produce money on YouTube without having to create videos in this video. If you follow these simple steps, you will be well on your way to making a lot of money online. So, you want to learn how to make $100 a day on YouTube without making any videos? Allow me to show you how it's done. By the way, did you know that it's possible to make money on YouTube without making videos? Let us know in the comment section down below. Number 1. Find the golden niche. The first and most critical step in any activity is to choose the ideal niche to operate in. Here, you not only choose a specialty that interests you, but also one that has the potential to earn cash for you. Remember that YouTube is all about the number of hours watched and views. The goal is to locate videos that will attract a high number of viewers. As a result, you'll be able to enjoy the fruits as soon as feasible. But how do you go about locating relevant videos? Keyword research reveals which videos people are looking for the most on YouTube. Discovering what is going on is a wonderful first step in the right direction. There are many fantastic keyword research tools available, such as SEMrush, KW Finder, and others, that may help you select the films that are most likely to produce traffic. This, however, demands understanding or keyword research techniques. Remember that while keywords with the highest CPC, cost per click, and search volume generate the largest revenues, they are also the most difficult to rank for. Armed with the necessary keywords, you are now ready to search for those one-of-a-kind videos that will rank. Number 2. Launch the channel. You may now begin constructing your own YouTube channel, which will be ready to republish video, now that you've defined a niche and discovered the relevant keywords. Sign into the platform using your smartphone or computer, then click on your profile image and follow the on-screen directions to create the channel. Include a range of keywords in the bio section to assist ensure that people can find the channel and that YouTube does not label you as a robot or worse, blocks you from using the channel entirely. Also, make sure to write your thoughts about the tips we give you in this video in the comment section. Number 3. Find and republish videos. The following method will teach you how to make money on YouTube without exposing your face. You will employ Creative Commons licensed videos that are linked to the keywords you discovered in the previous stage in this phase. Here's how to do it. Use your account information to log into youtube.com. Enter the desired keyword into the search bar. Select the first video from the list by clicking on the filters icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the Creative Commons drop-down menu, select Features. Select and download the movies you want from this section, then edit, mix, and republish them on your website. Number 4. Optimizations is key. This stage helps to ensure that your videos receive enough viewing and watch time to produce cash for you. This is why you should optimize the videos to make them more appealing to viewers while also making them easier to find online. To do so, you must edit the films, come up with creative and appealing names and thumbnails, and use the films to build the story. If you want to see a growth in the number of visits to your channel, you must be consistent. Viewers must be able to find new and interesting videos on a regular basis in order to return to your channel. Number 5. Make money. The fundamental goal of all of this, you guessed it, to produce income. So once you've taken all of the essential procedures to ensure that your video will attract viewers, it's time to think about monetizing your channel. This is the only method for you to start making money from the channel. To begin, make your alternatives for monetization available. Second, create a Google AdSense account for your company. To do so, first click on your user icon at the top of the website, followed by the Creator Studio button that displays. As a result of this action, several possibilities will appear on the left side of the page. Select the first option, Status and Features, and then click Enable. Following that, YouTube will prompt you to set up a Google AdSense account, which is a rather straightforward process in and of itself. And you're now ready to start making money on YouTube without having to make your own videos. Doesn't it look simple? The truth is that people are making a lot of money from this. All you have to do is know where to look and what buttons to press. Ads. Yes or no? We are accustomed to the assumption that in order to make money on YouTube, advertising must be displayed. Although it is not the only way to generate money on YouTube, it is a possibility. Affiliate links, consulting services, selling things, selling ebooks and courses, and YouTube sponsorships are just a few of the numerous methods to make money on YouTube. This gives YouTube users a wide selection of money-making options that do not rely on adverts. Music for money. To be sure, listening to music is a lovely experience. Making money through music, on the other hand, is even more rewarding. Many musicians' careers began on YouTube, and the platform has played an important role in their development. With over 2 billion users, the network is one of the most potent music advertising platforms accessible. But how precisely does it work? What tactics do you employ to earn money by posting songs to YouTube? The majority of musicians began their careers through the YouTube Partner Program. This allows musicians to monetize their channels and make money from adverts as their fans listen to their music. To be eligible, however, you must have at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a 12-month period. You must also be a registered Google AdSense user and a resident of a country where YouTube is permitted to conduct business. Other money-making opportunities on YouTube include the merchandise shelf, channel memberships, stickers feature, YouTube Premium subscriptions, and Super Chat. There are numerous ways for musicians to gain money from their music, some of which are more difficult to enter than others. But luckily, just as you don't need to record your own videos, you don't have to create your own music. Re-uploading copyright-free music from the internet and putting clips underneath it also does the job quite well. What do you think about these ways on how to make money on YouTube without making videos? Do you agree that they're lucrative? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely don't miss any of our future videos on making money online. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.